So this is me about a year ago filming a long rambling introduction, and to be honest, it was kind of boring. So today we're just going to cut right to the chase. I needed a way to get a bunch of rock down to my backyard, and my first thought was just take the truck. The thing is, I wasn't sure my neighbors would take too kindly to me driving the Raptor down our pristine walking trail to deliver rock to my backyard, so I needed to find another way. My next thought was, rent something. That's a great idea. It's a great solution, right? The thing is, rental prices for things like UTVs are sky high. So I kind of challenged myself. I was like, what if I can buy something for the price of renting something, and then I'll have it, I can keep it, I can go have fun with it, that sort of thing. So I started my search on Crash Toys. The thing is, Crash Toys prices are pretty high after all the bidding goes down. Things go for like almost working vehicle prices when, they're crashed, they're wrecked, you still have to fix them in order to use them. So then I kept going down that long winding internet hole, found myself at GovPlanet and Iron Planet, and I eventually wound up at Ritchie Brothers Auctioneers. After multiple minutes of intense bidding there, I found myself winning a thing, and here we go.
So we made it. We are waiting in line to get our stuff here. Oh good, you're here. What are you doing here?
I thought you said we were buying stuff.
I was buying stuff. What are you doing here?
No, I thought you said we were buying stuff, so I bought something too.
What did you buy?
What did you buy?
I bought a Polaris Ranger.
I bought a Polaris Ranger.
Were we bidding against each other?
Well, there was this one guy with a similar username who just kept jacking up all the prices.
Sounds like someone I know.
Well, let's go do some Ranger Danger.
Ranger Danger.
What do you think the chances of these things starting up and driving onto the trailer under their own power? Because they're not salvaged, they're not crashed, they're just...
So they do functionality tests, and I looked at mine, and mine said it ran, drive, backed up, brakes worked.
After I bought mine, I looked at it.
We are checked in, we're driving through the lot looking for our winnings. But I remembered one thing while we were checking in is like Ritchie Brothers, Iron Planet, GovPlanet, they don't make you put down deposits like Copart does. So all you have to do is like you give them your name, your email address, they're like, here's a $150,000 bidding limit. Seems a little, I don't know, risky?
You could buy a lot here for $150,000. Or one really cool thing.
That's true.
I think the cranes are over there.
Yes, please.
This is not the kind of place where you want to give anybody a $150,000 bidding limit willy-nilly. We got buckets, we got giant claws, we got cherry pickers. There's a whole yard of semi-trucks, and you know what? There's some treasure.
Looks like we might be in the right area.
I see mine.
You do?
I see her right there on the end.
The bent one.
Oh, yeah. Somebody's gonna need some welding.
Fun fact, these Rangers are 9.5 feet long. Our car hauler is 18 feet. If you do the math, we could have a problem.
Well, we'll just bring the first 9 feet home now and the other half foot home later. I know the crushed broken one's mine. Oh my god. The actuator still actuates? Oh, this is sexy. Oh, so many good decisions were made. Hey, baby. Oh, I'm gonna treat you well. This? I know how to use a welder.
Oh, this one. For some reason, the engine cover's removed.
Oh, guess what? I found your engine cover.
It almost looks like somebody was checking this one out.
Ooh, look at your motor, looks so much nicer. Yours comes with a fire extinguisher for safety.
We never need those.
I would say mine's in better shape than I thought. Oh, you have USB chargers? You have a holster? A manual? Tape? But not a key. Huh. Alright, well, we're going key hunting. There's been an update to the case of the mystery key.
Surprising development. We found another side-by-side with the key cut off. I took it, tried it in mine. It works. I'm gonna assume this is my key.
Is there a lot number on this key tag?
No.
No. Oh, is this where it came from? Hug and Hall Construction.
Thanks, Hug and Hall, for the discount side-by-side.
Does that mean we name your side-by-side Hugsies?
It's Hugsies. Nope. That's just...
Oh,
that
treasure.
glove. Does it fit, though?
Oh, no, you gotta quit.
Did you try yours?
No, I haven't even tried it.
They were right next to each other like it was meant to be. Aww. Is yours dead?
Like, turn it on. Why brake to start?
We're getting some voltage out of it. Ooh. 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 Let's hear a roar.
Boom! We're Eon Gas, but good news. We brought 2.5 gallons for both of us, so I get 2, he gets a half.
Mine takes diesel.
More for me!
Moment of truth. Oh, we got power this time. Come on. Come on.
Yeah!
Oh. There we go. It's a diesel, they smoke. So, we're loaded up, I think uneventfully.
They fit
Yeah.
uneventfully. My parking brake might work. You know, I really feel like if they make it back to Zero to Awesome HQ and Zero to Awesome HQ2, we could have some fun on our hands.
We could, so stay tuned for fun.
Question. How come the diesel one has a fire extinguisher but the gasoline one doesn't?
Oh, gas doesn't burn, only diesel does.
Oh, that makes sense. Okay. Speedometer doesn't work. Parking brake does.
Yeah, excellent.
Yeah. Oh, no horn. That's not safe at all.
You know.
She needs some work.
So we made it home with our excellent purchases. I think we need to do a little bit of work to them. Check, you know, the fluids, probably change them all, spark plug their filters.
Someone wrote the lot number on mine with marker, so I guess I'm gonna have to completely repaint the whole thing too.
Yeah, so a little bit of work, and then probably the next time you see these, we're gonna take them out and see what they can do.
Or you never hear of them again because they're in the bottom of a pond.
Yeah, it didn't work out.
No.
Sorry.
You may never see this. Hey, Polly, you wanna go have some fun?
So until next time, just remember, impulse purchases are a good idea.
Oh, and if you make an offer on an auction website, you're legally obligated to complete the purchase.
Oops.
I've already named my Ranger. What's it? Polly, the Polaris.
Polly the Polaris. You're like your father. You have to give something a name about like what it is.
Well, it's either that or mistakes. Hey, baby, awesome. Oh my God, where's the baby? Oh, daycare. You know, this whole thing, it is just one big crock. How is towing the ladies?
Ladies are a little bouncy, but they're nice.
They're bouncy girls? Ooh, I like a bouncy girl.